On behalf of Uganda Police Force, I will re-echo a very strong statement in line with the enforcement against the theft or the security of medicines and drugs for the country. I will also need to remind you of what the previous presenters have mentioned, that the theft of government medicines, for us in security, we treat it as an infraction on national security. It is our wish as security forces to police a healthy population. So when you steal these drugs, you are undermining the health of the population. So this is something we cannot treat lightly. Then you also need to remember that our cardinal responsibility as enshrined in the Constitution is to protect life and property. So in this situation, life is lost when medicine is stolen. But when medicine is stolen, property is lost. So you realize that we have a duty on our back. Now, how do we treat these thieves? Doctor has mentioned it. But these are some of the few things I would like to share with the general population out there. Sheila, the issue of deterrence. I would rather spend more time re-echoing on the issue of citizen journalism or the issue of investigative journalism. Recently, it's not so many months ago, NBS uncovered a suspected quack of a doctor. You remember? I think from the areas of Kasangati. If you could go that mile, you can imagine the energy needed simply to detect medicine which is embossed. And one thing also we need to educate the public is that medicine is not like money. When a thief steals money, he can decide to keep it in his pocket, and when he's spending it, you cannot tell the source. Medicine has to be consumed by somebody else. It has to be purchased, because somebody cannot steal drugs and take them himself. So there must be a recipient who, out of good conscience, can choose to malice, or actually it will not be malice, can choose to foil that theft. So our clarion call is that the moment the citizenry chooses that that drug shall not be consumed when stolen, it would be game down for the thief. Now, one of the other items we need to bring to your attention is that in every district of Uganda, we have the district security committees. And the NMS, whenever they are making any deliveries, they inform our teams. Now, no one think that we are highly involved in the distribution chain. So what we only need is the information when the distribution starts taking a different direction. By District Security Committee, I mean a committee headed by the RDC or RCC of a district or a city, where the DPC, the OCCID, and the Crime Intelligence Officer of the district or division sits on that committee. So we have a fully-fledged network. I don't see why the citizens would not make use of that structure. Whistleblowers, we give you guarantees. The moment you blow the whistle, we are willing and ready to protect you. We have done it before. we can always do it. So our commitment is to ensure that we liaise with the general population and all other stakeholders, and it is the reason why I'm here today.